became your name. You are now under the influence.
That's it, guys. Show's over.
Jamaica! Y'all look so good in here tonight. First and foremost, I want to say thank you guys for allowing me to be here tonight. I ain't been here so long. I feel like it's the right time tonight, though. Ladies, let me hear you make some noise one time. All the fellas, make some noise one time. Well, you know what the fuck I came here to do, right? How many of y'all drunk out there right now? I gotta catch up. You gonna tell us some more? Let's get it. How y'all feeling now? Got a lot of songs. Jamaica! How many of y'all been rocking with me since like my first album and shit? So let's go down memory lane one time.
How well do you know Chris Brown? How good is your memory? 2005.
We're gonna see.
$2007.
Yo, this is Nappy Boy Radio live with your boy T-Pain. Yeah, see you on that line that means I'm like a I got paper girl with this fantasy you never seen it. So get it shotted, we parking lot, and I know what you want. That kiss in a mind sheet. What? They hating on me, they wanna, because she mine and so fine.
You know when we come to Jamaica and not bring a girl on stage. I need a girl to come on here one time. Oh, you got a girl?
2010. 2011.
I can't with y'all energy tonight. Let's turn this shit up. Go right back up. Oh, baby. Got some surprises for you.
Make some noise! Make some noise!
Raccoon! My beats no come from out here, same time.
Hey, the weekend! Ready!
Let me see how many people in the day that the place knows that I'm clean. Them have one in the corner close. Same beats in Panama. The chick man is 17, just up. Big one! That's how much that's for me, I'm coming for that. Sing now, man! Purple jeans on, girl, better leave. Been afraid of police, I would know what we want. Feel it up, like even years. And we all live from PCH. Skull with notes and it deal with the head. Come brick for days, up that's up. I expensive beats in a Panama. But still I buy these for the dialogue. I check 2017, that's a flyer. Just a flyer bat, I want my catch.
Come on! National Stadium! Make some noise!
Level it to Nick Wiggy. I'm a girl at the time to be school for me. How we ever Biggie, remember 7 chip on one party now. I'm see stadium and move like so. Then they know say Jamaican people party different, you know. Same time.
Hello. This is Vibes Cartel. DJ Biggington. You know the Killington?
Hey, stadium! Make the get money that is ready! Come on! Go!
Hey! 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 Hey!
Come on, I see you get money! Let's just jump! 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 Jump!
Move from my way. girl in my wine. Level. Ready. Simonia. City boy here. All the mother rockers have the money in my hand. Love it when you suck it and you sit in on the town. And that's if she could have done this world though. Level. Hey, you don't know respect to Chris Brown for sure. Yo, Jamaica, how the feeling? Ready? I box up now, come come make this whole love set. No. Rock at it, pass me on the subject. England, daddy, now the people.